South Staffordshire Water Authority has the proud record of being one of the UK's most efficient water utilities. Yet each year it still has a £9 million electricity bill, 90% of which is used for pumping water. So when a new motor technology known as synchronous reluctance, or SynRM, promised further energy savings, they were eager to trial it at their Somerford pumping station near Brewood in Staffordshire.
Up until 3 months ago, we were using a 20-year-old squirrel cage induction motor and an ACS 800 drive, which is a highly efficient drive, a very modern unit to abstract the 2.5 million litres of water a day from the site. We've recently replaced the squirrel cage induction motor with a new synchronous reluctance motor. The replaced unit was in itself very efficient, particularly when you factor in the efficient drive that we also used. So the overall platform was efficient to begin with.
Working with Glen Hickman from Sentridge Control, the trial aimed to establish if this new technology outperformed the already highly efficient variable speed drive package that was previously installed at the pumping station.
Well, this technology really converts more electrical energy into mechanical energy, and that's the main difference between this motor and a conventional squirrel cage induction motor. Because there's no losses in the rotor, effectively the more magnetising current is converted to mechanical energy, and that reduces the system losses. Whereas a conventional motor, you will see losses emitted as heat. We don't get anywhere near as much loss, and you don't see the heat dissipated from the motor. So you get a much lower running temperature, cooler running and quieter environmental conditions as well.
After analysing the results from the SynRM package, a variety of benefits became apparent by the new technology. These benefits greatly exceeded South Staff's Water's original expectations.
We're expecting to see a level of improvement, obviously, but it was the magnitude of the improvement that really excited us. A 58% reduction in motor frame temperature, a 23% reduction in bearing temperature, a 75% reduction in audible noise, but most excitingly of all, a 6% energy reduction.
And those new efficiency figures are good news for the water company, which prides itself in lowering its carbon emissions as well as bringing down costs.
Here at Somerford, where we've installed a synchronous reluctance motor, the savings are between 5 and 6%. That will save us around £4,000 a year on electricity bill here at Somerford alone. Across the company, that could save us around £400,000 a year if we were able to adopt this technology across the whole of the company's supply area.
And as impressive as those financial figures are, savings are just one part of the positive outcomes of this trial.
We always look at results in terms of the benefits that it will give us. The reduced operating temperature of the motor, that might mean a decreased need for forced ventilation at our sites. The audible noise levels, a 75% reduction in audible noise. That could mean happier neighbours if you've got neighbours in close proximity, and a better working environment, good health and safety. We'll definitely be looking at using this sort of technology at our other sites. We've already identified a few sites where it could be of use, and the business case using synchronous reluctance technology does stack up incredibly well.